Pakuha kayo isa-isa dyan. Sa gitna, isa-isa. Kunan na natin ng kwanto. Tanungin natin si Prexy kasi familiar ka. When was this province created, more or less, Prexy? Aurora?
In 1951.
1951, oh my God. But this is originally originally part of Quezon, yung Aurora?
Part of Nueva Vizcaya.
Part of Nueva Vizcaya ba siya?
Yeah.
I thought this is part ng Quezon na kinarve out. Sa
Quezon Province.
Oo, Quezon Province. Kasi
actually next ito
Quezon Province, no, kasi Aurora is sino ba si Aurora Aragon Quezon? The wife? The wife of part of Baler Tayabas.
Luis Quezon.
She's the wife of former President Quezon, no? Okay.
There was a town. This is Maria Aurora town.
Para man ng Roman kwan niya, no? Roman yung design niya. What do you call that design? Brief stop over here in the small plaza in Quezon. No? So we're just taking picture area vicinity. Para siyang town plaza, no? Ang dating. Alam mo, yan, no? So lumalabas pala is carve out siya ng ng province of Quezon, itong Aurora. This is San Juan. Okay, San Juan Maria Aurora, Barangay San Juan. Okay, so we just had a brief stop over here. Now after a long drive, we're going to Kasiguran, Quezon, no? So we just cross yung boundary ng Nueva Vizcaya. So we pass yung Nueva Ecija, no, kanina from Pampanga, tapos we're going to Baler, Quezon. So this is yung right, no? Okay. Diyan na lang, kung just in case. Sari-sari store. Gaston Station. Okay. Dito kami nakapark sa road.